Hello. Mic test? Are we live? Hey. Hey guys. Welcome to our second day of 10 AIs work together to build something. Actually, let me check if I'm officially live because I don't see anyone. Hold on. Give me a moment. Hi everyone. Hi. Let's go. Big shout out to British Pigeon. I hate the starting soon screen. I know. That was my I just photoshopped that shit. I need to do something better. Hold on, my OBS is not working. The chat is not showing up. I don't know why. Where are my widgets? Why is it not working? We try it again. Hello? Yeah, I can see my chat over there. But it doesn't show the rest of the chat. Give me a bit of a time. Let me figure things out here. This is a problem. This is a massive problem, guys. hold on. Why is it not syncing? Don't tell me I need to create another one. I already created a doc. It's not showing everything. Can you guys say something? Hello. Okay, so apparently it's not connected to my OBS. Shoot. Shoot. This is bad. Hold on. I need to get my How do I get the key? I need the key. Here it is. And then I need to open my settings. And it should be the accounts. I connect to my YouTube. And then let's go to OBS. Trying to figure things out because it's not showing here, by the way. I need to see the chats here. But it's not showing up. So just give me a moment, okay? You guys can hang out in the chat. Main canvas. Advanced settings. Output settings. Save output. Okay. Hold on, I might need to restart my stream. This is bad. I apologize. I think I'm gonna need to restart this. I just got out of work, so Miss, open widgets, stream settings, stream URL, check. Bad. The widgets are not working. Okay. Need to copy the URL. Then let's go to OBS. Then paste it here. Okay. It's not showing up the chat from YouTube. This is not good. See how prepared I am. I didn't have much time to prepare for this. Not gonna lie. You know what? Forget about this. Okay, I'm just gonna YOLO. Whatever. I don't see your chats. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need to see all your chats on the other screen while this screen is gonna be empty. So yeah. It's gonna be much more difficult for me to manage. Quite frustrating. Hi everyone. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna continue. Hi. Hey. Big shout out to all of you guys. I'm seeing some of your super chats. Again, big shout out to Friendly Guy or ABT Official for the super chats. Guess who is back? Yes, Friendly Guy is back. And Happy, hey, finally. Happy is here. Welcome. Good to see you guys. Happy to see you guys. Let's go back here. Who else? Him the Epic Gamer, welcome back. Horror Stories, my mod is here. Can you try make AI agent app from Learn with C? Happy says W pop off. Robotic boot. If muting is your powered, what are you without it? Good one. From Pionetta IT. Good. Nice. From No GG Craft Night, coding a banking software from scratch. We can take a look at that later. Okay. Hello everyone. What are we doing today? It's just so weird without the chat. I really like seeing your chats. So, probably just gonna do it here. Is this what I usually do? There should be like a chat here, but I can't really show it directly here. I have a better idea. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna copy this. And then I'm going to create a new source. Should be this one. There we go. You guys can see yourself now. And then I will add a filter. Let me just is there any way I can crop it? Sorry, I'm doing this like live. Because either we have two choices. Either I restart the whole thing or no. And that's not what I want to do now. Transform, crop. There you go. This one. And we just need to adjust it a tiny bit. So let's do 30 or 40, 45. There we go. And the bottom should be 50 or 75 or 85. There we go. That was much better. And then on the right, we do like 50. Nice. And then we add a key. Color key. Yes. And then the color should be a custom. So I need to pick a color. There you go. I just need to set this to 0. Oh, no. Okay. I think that's good. That's good. Does that work? Is that much better? Okay, I think that's good. Okay, we are good. I managed to fix that. So at least I can just look here instead of opening a different tab, because holy cow, that was unmanageable, I'd say. Okay, let me just go through the whole thing. Maybe I missed a couple of things. From ABT official again, thanks for the super chat. What happened to your room? What do you mean? Same thing as yesterday. What do you mean? Maybe add streaming to weekly tube. Okay, that's I was actually thinking if we should go back to the YouTube app that we were working on yesterday, or should we start a different game or a different project? Because yeah, the previous project didn't really turn out well. So let's figure it out later. But let me just go through you guys and see what's happening, okay? If you guys don't mind. First, let me just put you here. Yes. Okay. Where am I? My. Are you working on YouTube again? We'll think about that later. What happened to your camera? What do you mean, what happened to my camera? Is it now working? You guys can see me, right? Don't scare me. Because I'm 100% not prepared today. I just got out of work and I arrived and I started setting up my things and I was not prepared. Not at all. Happy, should I sub to Happy for Happy to be happy? From Payaneta IT, good one. Make a YouTube clone. That's what we were doing yesterday. Okay. Turn the operating system into a series. We can also work on that. Hi, what are you doing? Make an AI chat. I just want to make sure that I don't miss some of your chats, guys, because I want to be fair and square at least. Okay, you know what? Let's without further ado, because we've been here for 17 minutes already. Without further ado, let's start working on the things that we want to do today. So, we have a couple of we need to decide, okay? It's either we continue the YouTube yesterday based on how you guys felt towards the project itself, or should we start a new project? It's up to you guys, okay? So, what happened yesterday? Yesterday, we built a YouTube clone. We tried, setting up authentication. We tried setting up the app itself, making it work, fixing some things here and there, but at the end, it didn't really work. There was no video. We need to upload, obviously, but we can't really upload because we need to connect it to a backend or to a storage service provider, etc. So it's either we do that, continue it, or we make something else. What do you guys think? Maybe I could just start a poll and I'll let you guys decide. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna start a poll, okay? And then I'll say, should we start a new project or not? And then I'll just let you guys do that. Okay. So there is the poll right there. And you guys can decide what we should do. From Happy, thanks for the super chat. Keep working on Kukul. Okay, that means that's a no for the question I just posted. And if no wins, then that means we're going to do another roulette or spin the wheel, and then we'll work on a new project. From Happy, start a poll. My last name. Funny. It's funny. Say hi to Foray Nix. Hey! Super chat from friendly guy. Yeah, I don't think he's here right now. So, hi Foray Nix. This one is for you. Say thanks to friendly guy for that. Okay, how are we doing with the poll? How are we doing? Oh wow. Yeah. Yes is winning. Okay, I'll give it a few more minutes. Yeah, yes is winning, so looks like we're gonna start a new project. Make Discord. Okay, we're gonna put that on a list. Make a human robot. That's a very specific request. Please add more apps to Doom OS. Okay, we can add it to a list. From Kim the Epic Gamer, English or Spanish. Yeah, so we're going to work on a new project, looks like it. So I'm gonna end the poll. And that's it. We're going to start. We're going to start. We open a new tab. All right. What was it again? Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. We used this yesterday. Okay, so these are the projects that you guys requested yesterday. And these are the names. We'll get rid of that. Okay. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. How are we doing? All right, so from now on, I will start taking requests. Okay, so what should we do, guys? What should we do? Make a Discord, okay. make Discord. That's one right there. Operating system for mobile. Okay. Operating OS for mobile phones, I guess. What else should we have? Make operating system like Windows 10. We already have a video on that. Maybe we can just, improve it. Give me more ideas. Try making a new website language like HTML. New HTML? Okay, I don't know how that's gonna work, but sure. Make a Minecraft client. I'm not really a big Minecraft guy, so I don't know what that is supposed to mean. But sure, we'll put it there. Make AI human robot. Yeah, I think you just meant AI chat. So we already made that. So give me more. Something more. Hold on. Let me just scroll back up because there's so many things. So many things, guys. More apps for Doom OS. Okay, improve my previous OS project. We'll just put it like that. Make a Duolingo. That's actually a good idea. Duolingo. Because je dois parler français. Je dois plus pratiquer. I'm embarrassing myself. Keep going. Make an HTML game. Reality breaker button. One button triggers random chaos like glitch, god mode, coins, admin warnings, ad shake screen, and flashing colors. Wow. I don't know how to put that. I don't know exactly what that's supposed to mean. Next one. Try making a new website. That's what I already said. Improve WindOS. We already put the OS improvement project. Make a Python transpiler from Happy. Okay. Python transpiler. I'm not sure if you meant compiler or I don't know. Okay, but I'll put it there. Next one. A Next.js full stack project. Literally all this can be a Next.js full stack project. So need more specific. What else do we have? Let's go for creating YouTube. We already did that yesterday. Unfortunately, the majority voted for yes. So we're going to start a new project. What else do we have? GTA 6, we already have that. You know what I have? A Unity game where we have characters that talks and we connect it with like what is that API again? The voice API? What is that? 11 Labs. A Unity game where we have characters that talks using voice AI from 11 Labs. 11 Labs. That's just an idea because you said something about like games, so or GTA. So maybe that could work. An HTML operating system that is super basic, but sure. HTML operating system. What else? I have to go through all your chats. A Roblox game could be another fun project. I haven't made a single Roblox game, so maybe that could be a good idea in this video or live stream. Make LLM, we already did that. What happened to the YouTube clone when part 2? Unfortunately, the majority voted for yes, start a new project, so we're not going to do that. What else do we have here? Spin the wheel, please. I'm gonna add few more, just to be fair to the rest of you guys, because I'm pretty sure. Okay, Chrome extension. Okay, Chrome extension. We'll add that. Please ban chug this, because I'm just gonna put you in a timeout for like 10 minutes. Thank you very much. Make Among Us. Among Us. Okay. We'll put it there. What else do we have? Create an IDE. Again, I'm working on a video specifically about this, so that's gonna be my next video next week. I'm working on it. Make a Python game, AI Trickster, where AI says statements and player guesses true or false. Give points for correct answers. We can improve that, like for example, make a game, but you guys can join in, so it's online. A game like AI Trickster, but online multiplayer. And we can just brainstorm more, make it much better. How do we feel, guys? Do we need more? Do we need something else? Make a multiplayer FPS game. FPS multiplayer online. Okay, we'll add that. What else do we have here? How do we feel? Do we need more? Make a Java game, like Minecraft? I think we already have it here. What else do we have? Keep coming. Keep going. Hold on, let me just read the super chats. Maybe I missed something. The language that compiles to machine code. Yeah, that's the thing that you were talking about in the comments yesterday. A programming language that compiles to machine code. Honestly, I don't know why you need this. Are you the one who's going to read the machine code and then you're going to like turn it into... It doesn't make any sense. Literally, this language is just going to produce like 001, 001, and what are you gonna do with it? What is the use case? Tell me what is the use case and we'll do this. But it's just that the more I read it, the more I feel like there's no point. Unless you are a genius, you can actually understand zeros and ones. Okay, let me just go back to the chat. Make a GitHub. Okay. We'll just put GitHub. This is a lot of work actually. So when you build a GitHub, you're not just building the UI, you're also building like a tool to push projects, right? To make pull request, merge a project, and then back and forth. You even have a CLI for that. So this could be interesting, but at the same time, I'm afraid it's gonna end up like the YouTube project that we did yesterday. Make YouTube but weekly chew. We did that yesterday. If you guys haven't, if you guys missed yesterday's live stream, that's what we did yesterday, and I plan to continue it again. I kept explaining myself, but we are no longer going to continue that project because the majority said yes to start a new project. From Adrian, I made a working Game Boy emulator in Python with Claude that run Tetris. Nice. Good job. Make a copy of OpenClaw. I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't even used OpenClaw, not even once, so I don't know how it works. I try to avoid, letting AI control my PC or something, because I don't know what it can do. Make your own computer from scratch from Duplo. I did, and it's already here. I'm like literally using it right now. I built it from scratch. I mean, technically, yeah. Anyway, what else do we have? Are we done? Remake Streamlabs. What else do we have? Guys, some of you just please, I know you guys want to you guys want me to see your chat, but please keep your spamming to minimum, and I'd really appreciate that. Thanks. Is there any way I could like I don't think so. Okay, I think this is enough. This is good. We can start. Should we spin? Are we ready? Are we ready, guys? Are we ready? Okay, I'm gonna spin in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold on. From 4 Ray Nix. Hey, I thought you were not gonna be here. Did I miss a super chat? What is your super chat? Is that supposed to be the try making graphics API in C++ for games or software? Okay, okay, I'll put it, okay? Add graphics API in C++. Why did I CSS? Hold on, let me just make a graphics API in C++ for games. Okay, done. I believe that's what you are looking for. Should be good. Should be good. Are we good? Let's spin. Let's spin. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. What are we making? No way. I was like, are we going to make a Roblox game? We got a Chrome extension. There we go. Congratulations to whoever requested this. Here we go. Are you guys happy with that? Are you guys happy? Boo! 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 Oh! I am so sorry. They are not happy. Boo! Hey, we spinned it. What should we do? You guys want me to spin again or nah? If one of you donated something, I'll spin it again. $5. Greedy as hell. I'll spin it again for $5. Going once, going twice. A lot of you are saying spin it again. A lot of you are saying spin it again, but I mean, that's literally the project that we're going to build. Don't donate, that's unfair. Oh. Someone actually donated. Is that actually $5? If that's $5, that'd be surprise. USD. How much was it? 200, right? Oh, that actually is. I should have went higher. That is wild. Thanks for that. Okay. We're spinning again. Okay, we're spinning again. I apologize to whoever wished the Chrome extension, but the majority is not happy. I'm just here to satisfy the majority. But don't worry, whoever requested the Chrome extension, I will make a video specifically just for you, okay? I will make this very project for you. I will even mention your name. So, guys, whoever suggested that, go and join the chat and then say, "Oh, I did it. And then I'll just say like I'll just say that it's yours. From ABT official, yes, we are spinning it. Thanks for the €2. From Red Distic, please make a platform similar to Roblox or Steam. But it's already closed. I'm sorry. Okay, but I'll add it just for you because you are super chatting. Platform similar to Roblox or Steam. Okay, I'm spinning it again, okay? But this time, I'm not going to make you guys spin it again. Whatever we get, that's it. Okay? Whatever we get, that's it. Okay, Punk Forever. I apologize if this is going to be postponed for now, so I'll do the Chrome extension in an actual video just for you. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm not going to. What the hell? What the hell? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Okay, it's actually not bad. Okay, we good with this? Are we good with this? Okay, looks like the majority is saying yes, we're good with this. So we are going to make GitHub from scratch. So the next thing that we're going to do is name the project. Okay, What is it going to be called? What's the name of GitHub? That's a great question, Hidden Smash. Would GitHub clone require remaking Git too? That makes it a big project, yes. So it's either we just build the UI itself, or we also like, try to at least make something that works. Will let us push something, will let us pull something, etc. So that's the goal. We'll talk about it later, but let me just get some of your naming recommendation. So it's called WeekHub. WeekHub. Okay, that's a good one. Next one, GitHow. Next one, Weekly Git. Damn, you guys are really, really creative. Weekly Hub. Oh, it's already there, no? Week Hub. Okay, Weekly Hub. What else do we have? Code Hub. Code Hub. What else do we have? Git Code. Okay, Git Code. Weekly Code. Sure. Corn Hub. Okay, pause. ABT, I'm gonna need you to be more creative than that. Appreciate the €2 though. Thanks for that. Subscribe Hub. Yes, that's a great way to say you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. If you haven't liked this video itself, please like it. Vote Flux Hub. Okay. Vote Flux Hub. Get bit. Okay, that's funny. Get bit. From Foray Nix, Git is just a Git file is stored on the server. No need for Git reimplementation. Sorry for caps. Okay. To be fair, I don't really know how it works. As is. So it's either we create our own CLI just to make it work like Git, or we use Git itself, right? What else do we have? Is that all? Is that all we have? We can make it much better, guys. Code Git, we already have it, right? Code Git. Okay, I think this is it. This should be good. This should be good, right? Someone said Weekly Forge from Liano Meister _YT. That's funny because my next video, the project is called Forge. So that's a coincidence. Good job for that. AXGit. AXGit? That is very specific. Like that. Fitbit is a health app. It is. Okay, I think we are good. We should be good. No? It should be fine. I don't think we need to put a lot of choices, options, just for the name. I think we should be okay. Alright? I'm gonna spin this. Are you guys ready? Are we guys ready? Here we go. Friendly guy requested Gitman. Okay, there we go. 5, 4, 3. Did I miss a super chat? No, I don't think I missed a super chat. I think we're good. Yes, yes, yes. We are good. Okay, we're spinning. 5, 4, 3, 2. What do you mean? I did already check the super chat. There's nothing else. No more. Gitman is already added. It's right over here. I'm gonna start, okay? Sorry if I kept stopping. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spin! What is it gonna be? It's Weekly Hub! Yeah! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. That is not my favorite, but it's not too bad. Weekly Hub. It's kind of like similar to how I call myself. Weekly Hub. Okay. You know what? You get it. This is good. Okay. All right. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Now it's time to make the prompt. Here it is. Bernard returns. We are now building our prompt. Build me a prompt that I can use in Cursor to build a GitHub clone. In this app, we should have, okay, this is where I'm gonna need your help, guys. Just like yesterday, we are going to list. That's a great point, Nocturne. I really hope we're not gonna have the same problem like yesterday, because this is gonna be bad. I think the best way to do this is to put as little information as possible and then work from there. I don't know. Okay, so someone said version controlling, git commands like push, pull, and merge, right? What else? Create repos or repositories. What else can we do? Upload an HTML or upload a project, an HTML project. Upload an HTML project. Okay. Star repositories. And clone, yes. Push, pull, clone, merge. Star create public or private repositories. See top languages. See top languages used in the repository. Profiles, yes. Git profiles, GitHub, no, profiles itself. User profiles. What else? Issues. Issues tracking. Pull request. What else do we need? Creating, also deleting or managing, of course. What else do we have? Again, guys, we should not make this too big because otherwise we're gonna have problems like yesterday. So I'm just gonna make it simple as possible, okay? The best ones that we should have at least in this project is to have version control, right? That's the main point of it. We should be able to manage our projects, you know, make branches, etc. And what else? Git. We should have Git commands like push, pull, clone, and merge, right? And also, yes, I almost forgot, should also have readme or markdown. Repositories should be able to read readme or markdown files and display it in its own repository page, in its own repository page. Okay. Sponsors, again, we're not going to put too much. I think that is too much already. Like what happened yesterday. We tried to add Stripe to it, but it didn't really add it. There is no donation for the in the video or in the channel itself. You don't really get that. So I think the more we put it, the more LMs forget to add those. So if we make it as small as possible, there's a higher chance that we'll get it. Okay? This should be good. The whole point is we should be able to push, pull, clone, merge a commit or a PR, and we should be able to upload something, and we should be able to store repositories, and we should have user profiles. I think it's good as is. Okay, so we're just gonna keep it like that, or here's how it's gonna be. Okay, I'll just send this. Hold on, I have an idea. Where is my you guys hear the music? So it feels like it's an actual YouTube video. Because this is gonna take time. You guys don't hear the music? It should work now. Are you serious? Really? No, you guys are trolling. No way. I can literally see on my meter, audio mixer, that it's working. Okay, what about this? What about this? Still nothing? Ah. You gotta be you gotta be shitting me. Interesting. How about now? How about now? Nothing yet? Yeah, I'm figuring it out. I'm working on it. Okay, so here's my audio properties. What about now? Yes? Finally. Let's go. Okay, finally. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. But this is not the music I was like wanting to use. This is what I want. Yes. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so you are an expert full stack engineer. Build a fully functional GitHub clone web application. Use the following tech stack and feature spec at your blueprint. Let's just take a look at tech stack just to be sure. So we need React, obviously. TypeScript, sure. CSS. Node.js, Express, TypeScript, good. Postgres with Prisma or M again. So hopefully we managed to work on this properly this time. And for authentication, same as yesterday. File storage, again, we'll make sure we'll use local file system. And Git engine, isomorphic Git. Okay, so we have a library that we can just simply use. And markdown rendering. Okay, looks good. Real time. Socket IO for live notification. I don't know if this is necessary. Probably not gonna do this. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. You guys enjoying the music? That's literally the most basic music for like YouTube videos. Or maybe I could just use my own music. Hold on, I actually have a music I really like playing. Should be this one. Yeah, better? Should be better. There we go. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start setting up my working environment so we can start working. And the project is called Weekly Hub, right? Let's open that with cursor. Yes, sir. All right, here it is. Is it too loud? What about now? Should be good. So it's somewhere around like negative 48 decibels. It should be good. Okay, let's begin. Where is Claude? Okay. I'm gonna copy this, but let me just double check the whole thing. A few tips for getting the best result. In Cursor, use Composer and set the model to Claude or GPT 4.0. Paste the prompt and let it scaffold the entire project first before asking follow-up questions. Okay, recommended build order. If you want to break it into different sessions, auth first, and then git HTTP backend, and then repo CRUD or CRUD, and then issues, PRs, etc. After scaffolding, you can follow up in Cursor with targeted prompts like implement the unified diff view for pull requests using that, etc. Okay. Should we follow this? I want to make sure that we are not missing any points. Do not use GitHub's API or external Git hosting. All Git operation must be handled by your own server. Start by generating the full project structure with all files, then implement feature by feature in the order above. Okay, this looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good to me. All right, I think it's good. Let me copy that. And here, we're going to start with Composer 2. That's what it said. That's what it said. Start with 5.4 high. Is that what you want? Like that? Okay, I think we could just start with GPT 5.4. Okay, I'm not gonna waste more time because literally this is gonna take time. I know, right? See service. It's already 93%. So we are cooked, officially cooked. In this live stream, I don't have any choice but to pay for the prompts that I'll make. Okay, someone says Opus 4.6, someone's saying like Sonnet, someone's saying Composer first. What do you want me to do? I'll let you guys decide. Hold on. Pick. And then do GPT 5.4. Opus 4.6. Composer. Do your thing, guys. Which one should we use? Hi everyone. Vusal Ramazanov. Hi. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? While I'm waiting for you guys, I'm gonna need to turn on. Do I need to turn on the light? Is it because it's starting to get darker? Okay. That should be okay. Who is winning? Opus 4.6 is winning. There we go. Turning on the light didn't make any difference. I'll do it later then. Save your light bill. Yeah, exactly. Because we need money. We need money to pay the bills here. Okay, I'm gonna use Opus. I'm gonna end poll. Alright, let's send it. I forgot to mention that it should be called Weekly Hub. I hope it understood that it should be inside of this project. Now we are going to wait for more than 30 minutes. Okay, it understood that it's going to be called Weekly Hub. Nice, nice, nice. Opus is a smart ass. Good one. Oh no! It's already 100%. I am cooked. I'm officially cooked. So now, for every prompt that I'll make, I'm gonna have to pay for it. Good job, guys. There we go. We didn't even start. Exactly. That's how cooked we are. Yeah, I should probably upgrade my subscription. I should probably go like the next plan. Weekly, I think you should upgrade. Yeah, that's the plan. Pay to win. It is pay to win. Look at that. We have a bunch of things to do. And here we're already paying for like $2 already. I think you pay $60, but they gave you $70 worth of credits, which is good. Okay. Because I think with my current subscription or with my current plan, I'm only using $20 worth of credits. So it's not too much. So yeah, I'll probably upgrade to something more. But it depends though, because right now I'm working on building my own IDE. I'm building my own code editor. So if that project actually manages to, you know, build something good that I can use for my videos, then maybe I don't have to upgrade my plan. Yeah, it's gonna depend on how much we're going to, how many times we're going to prompt in this live stream. So for each prompt, approximately I'm paying like $1 to $2. So the more I prompt, the more I pay. While we're waiting, what are we guys doing? What are we doing? Let me take a look at the super chats. Am I missing something? Some of you said something. No, we're good. When are we switching to task number 2? It's still scaffolding the entire project, so this is gonna take a while. Yeah, I'm officially cooked. So I haven't even yet like reached this. So we're still fine. We'll see how much money we spend today. Switch to GPT 5.4. Opus is so slow than snail. I mean, we don't have any choice. We already started. And that's what you guys voted, so I'm just following you guys. Weekly hot is sus. I don't know what you mean by that. Hi, OXOPBMP_official. Hi, welcome to the chat. How are you doing? How is everyone doing? Oh, there we go. We managed to do the step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we're setting up the client side. Nice. Let's take a look at the server. Okay. Okay, so we have a bunch of utility functions here. Okay, we have API resources. Okay. Hopefully that works. Tostic CZ, I am back. What are you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. We are making a GitHub clone and we are calling it Weekly Hub. Did you ever try Pointer IDE, by the way? No. I haven't used other IDEs, just Cursor right now. VS Code, Warp, at least for developing. Guys, copy the source code. You don't have to pay. Yeah, go for it. Copy it. We even have like a default config. I don't know how that's gonna work. That's funny. Okay, I'm guessing these are all the commands. Right? Like when you type git commit space diff or something. Git branch. You get all these results. I wonder if this is gonna work. Okay, so we have this utility function to get the most used language. One of you guys requested us. It looks like it's being made. Good. Screenshot the entire code. Yeah, go for it. As if it's gonna work. Imagine just taking a screenshot of the single file. Hoping it'll work. Maybe. Try anti-gravity. It's a vibe coder. Ugh. I don't understand why a lot of you guys enjoy anti-gravity. I hate it. I'm not gonna lie. I hate it. It's ass. It's trash. Like, Gemini, Google is not even trying. I don't even know how you guys made it work. But whenever I use it, I subscribe to their pro plan. I still do. But whenever I use anti-gravity, it's just trash. CIA_main. Cursor free is so bad. You can only use auto. You have very low amounts of prompts before it runs out. Yeah, I mean, that's why it's free. That's how they funnel the right people. If you can't pay for subscriptions, you are not their customers. You are not their audience. They target specifically those people who actually have money. It's marketing. But whenever I use it, I subscribe to Bernard. Bernard Paul. Yes. Can you show us how much this prompt costs for you at the end? Yeah, we'll take a look at it after. Specs from chicken_SMP. You meant my my PC? I have my drive here. This is my spec. Right here. How much I spent. So I have like B850M Iris Elite. I do have a video, by the way. Like I built my own PC. Should be on my channel. It was fun. It was a fun project. So I have AMD Ryzen 9900X processor and RTX 57T and a bunch of hard drives. I just make different Google accounts and make accounts on Cursor so I can keep using it for free. That's smart. That's smart. But that takes efforts too. So, was it worth it? If it is, good for you. Watch a YouTube reaction from viewers while we wait for Cursor AI to finish coding. Then rate each short video out of 10. I don't even know what you're trying to do. Watching for memes? Can you give me a moderator weekly help, please? No, I cannot. Sorry. Won't Cursor notice that you're cheating? Probably. They'll most likely ban your IP if you keep doing that. Most likely, though don't quote me on that. I don't know, I haven't read the terms and conditions. He probably means reacting to YouTube shorts. I can't do that. You guys are gonna know what I watch. It's almost done. It should be done in a few bits. Okay, now let me install dependencies and run Prisma setup. So now it's doing that. It should be done in a few more minutes. That's why I use Kiro AI method. I'm happy using Kiro AI. I do have a video on that. Kiro. I think they promised to make it much better, but I don't remember them releasing an update. Do a giveaway of 1 membership. I can do that. I don't think I can though. Oh no, I don't think I can do that. No, I don't think I can do that. I can't gift. Yes, it's almost there. It's almost done. Almost done. I use temp mail if it works, or I use temporary phone numbers like you said, but sometimes I use Microsoft Hotmail to make the accounts. You're literally just exposing yourself for doing something illegal. Please, membership from constructor. Unfortunately, I can't share. I can't gift. It's done? It's done? Yes! Here we go, boys. It is finally done. It is finally done. You can use donate. Can I? I don't. I'm taking a look at my stuff, and there is no, it's just like super stickers, super chat, and bonus member milestone chat. I don't have other stuff. I can't gift. Maybe I can do it somewhere here. Hold on. There we go. I got one. Did it work? There we go. That's all I can do. I'm broke. Big shout out to Gia Sidao. You got a free membership. I can't do specific users. I'm sorry. It's random. So that's something I can't do specifically. Yeah. So if you want memberships, I will, someone needs to do it. Because it's expensive as hell. But yeah, thanks for that. We can start. We can do this. Are we guys ready? So we just need to ensure that PostgreSQL is running. Okay. I'm gonna start a new chat. And I'm gonna just use ask first. Help me start Postgres. Okay. Instead of Googling it, I'll just do it here. Let's take a look if we have that. So services.ms. See? And then we got this. Can I show that? I don't think so. We have PostgreSQL. No, we don't have. Okay. So we'll just copy this. Paste it here. No, I need to do this in Ubuntu because that's where I installed PostgreSQL yesterday. Oh god damn it. No? I'm in Ubuntu. Yeah. There you go. Let's copy that. Paste it here. Yep. And then we need to start it. There we go. Okay. And then let's try this. Yeah. There we go. I think it should be okay. Should be okay. Let's go back here. And then what we're going to do is npm install. Oh. And then cd to the server. And then npx prisma migrate dev name init. Will it work? Of course not. Of course not. Authentication failed against database server. The provided database credentials for Postgres are not valid. Let's take a look at the env. This is wrong. Because I believe yesterday we set it up as password, right? This should be password. Hold on. I'm gonna need to open this. Because we do have the environment here. There we go, see? That is our URL. And the password is password. So Postgres colon password. Okay. That should work now. So now if I run this. It should work. Yep, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Bobcat YT1. What are you building? We are building GitHub. A GitHub clone. Okay. Okay. Did we get something? What is that? Your database is now in sync with your schema. EPERM operationals permitted. I guess I can just ignore that. So now we can just npm run dev. No. I'm gonna start a new PowerShell. And we'll just npm run dev. There we go. We got a bunch of errors. Let's open this. Are we ready? Let's take a look at the result. Let's do it. We are off to a good start. Let's go. I was really expecting it to like, oh, maybe it's gonna be like the same as yesterday. The next JS. It was funny, but I wish it wasn't. What do you mean bad start? Oh yeah. Oh no! 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 We're gonna get copyrighted. No! No! Hold on. Change the logo! Change the logo! We're gonna get in trouble! I'm not gonna use Opus for that. Composer. Did you design the logo? No, I just stole it. Or no, I didn't. AI stole it. Mr. Weekly from GFF Games for Fun. Good evening from my side. Good evening as well. Here in France, it's also night. It's already 8:30. How many monitors do you have from ZYY? Because you look to left, right, center. I have 2 monitors. One for you guys and one for the content. From Electronica 147. Sorry, I'm late. I have school from 7:40 to 18. Okay. No worries. Come on. Happy to have you here. Welcome. So how much was the cost of this prompt with Opus 4.6? That's a good question. Let's take a look. It didn't update yet. So we haven't reached anything yet. So maybe after. It's still processing. I don't know. Okay. It's now done. We can just take a look at it again. We have a bunch of errors that we need to fix. It's all related to Tailwind CSS, and I'm pretty sure it's using an old workflow. The old way of building with... What is that? What is that? What is that supposed to be? Okay, sure. That is Weekly Hub. There you go. What does it say? A simple original icon, rounded square, central node. Ah, that makes sense. That makes sense. It's a node. So it's like a branch. That makes sense. From ABT official, friendly guy. Here's a challenge. Scream 6, 7, or 8 in front of us. I'd rather 8 in front of you. I can't scream. I live in an apartment. Do I have something? I literally have a cupcake. There you go. Okay, let's take a look at the app itself. We have a sign in button, sign up, get started, explore repos. We also have explore here. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Oh, okay. So we can explore public repositories. That's nice. Get started. We can create an account. This looks great. Not gonna lie. Okay. Let me do weekly how, and then it should be further@weeklyhow.com. Password is like that. If you guys can guess what this is, I'd give another one. Rule of computer, know it. Bro had fun with E++. I just watched that video too. Thank you so much, Eternal Hell TTV. 2 sticks. Bernard 123. Close. 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 And I just finished watching your making an AI with AI video. Thanks for support. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Bernard 123 at weekly how 123. No. Crafted, why is your mouse so big? Why not? I mean, the reason why I make my cursor big is because in videos I can't just make it small. If I make it small, it's so hard to see. And it's hard to follow. So whenever I edit a video, I like my cursor big so I can just zoom in and then I have a cursor just pointing on something. I like it. I'm right at this point, I'm used to it. Okay, I'm just gonna create an account. Oops. Internal server error. That is not good. Let's take a look at the console. Okay. So we have 500 error for the API auth register. Let's go back here. And looks like this is what we get. Okay. It's already using the port 3001. What is going on? Let me just copy this. Add it to the chat and I'll just send that. I'm not gonna use Opus 4.6. I'll use Kimi K2. From GSC DAO, it said front end on port 5000 3000 for backend. Yeah, maybe the reason why it's not working is because of the Vite dev server is trying to proxy API calls to the backend, but nothing is listening on port 3001. Start the backend first. Ah, that's why. Hold on, let me actually start again. But it's already running the server. Or maybe it's also running somewhere. The front end runs on 5173, backend on port 3001. Okay, it's fine. It should be okay. Now the reason why we have it's already running because I think we are using con something. Concurrent. Yes. We're using a library called concurrently, there you go, to run two things at once. So it should be okay. So the API, the backend is working, it's running. Also the front end is also running. So we don't need to run it separately. Let's go back. Or maybe we need to run this. No, because we're already running two things. Going to run it, see? So I run npm run dev. So it's supposed to run npm run dev server and npm run dev client. So these two are running at the same time. So I don't need to run this specifically. Should be okay. I want to fix this. It's bothering me. From Ayanuraman, dude, make Minecraft. And Babcatty responded, Minecraft is too easy. We already did that, but honestly, I kind of want to do another one since it was like months ago, right? So maybe we can do a better Minecraft game. Maybe make it like multiplayer or something. I don't know. Make it more fun than the previous one. Okay, let's go back here. Let's try it again. It worked. Yes. We have an account. There we go. We finally have an account. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. I really enjoy your content. Great work. Hope you reach 200k by the end of the year. Question, where do you live? From CR7HK. Thanks for that. Where do you live? I can't specifically give you my specific address, but I live in France. I live in Europe, if that's what you wanna know. How did you read my name like 12 minutes ago? It should sound like Tostixis. Tostixis. Tostixisi. Tostixisi? Tostixisi. Now I want to make my own GitHub and send everything on my own server. Damn it. You should. This is fun. Okay, so let's take a look at our profile first, because I think we requested LMs to make... Not bad. This doesn't look bad at all. Can I change my... I can't change my profile. I can't... I would like to add a photo. I would like to change my my name. Not my username, but my name. Oh, it's also using a handle. That is nice. Surprisingly. We even have stars. Repository, stars. Nice. This is good. This is good. Okay, let's take a look. What do you guys think? I feel like Opus 4.6 cooked. What do you think? It's good, right? Okay, so we have create a new repository. We are the owner, of course. And the repository name should be Weekly Hub. And the description is subscribe to Weekly How and like the video so I reach enough milestone. I don't even know what that means. Like the video. Okay, and I'll just set it to public. We'll create a private one later on, and add a README file. Okay, create. Oh, we got an error. Unfortunately, I thought we are about to I thought we cooked. We almost cooked, but looks like we are facing a problem, and it's something related to the push origin main. This commands. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna copy this, and we'll send that to the chat, and we're going to use GPT 5.4 high. You think it's good? We'll send that. Actually, I'm happy. At least I'm really happy. I'm not gonna lie. This is good. This is much better than the YouTube project that we were working on yesterday. This is good. At least we have an account. It created a repository. What? It failed, right? It failed, but we still have it. That's weird. Anyway, here we have a start button to start a project, I guess. We have code, the code base. We have issues. We have pull request. And we have the branches. We have commits. Even the entire handle or the path is like implemented good. It's good, it's good. Implemented well. I really like it. We even have open pull request, closed pull request, and merged ones. Nice. What if I click new pull request? Ooh. Okay, this is not good. Other than that, this looks good. I like it. What if I delete this? What would happen? Okay, we lost it. Not gonna lie, it's good. I like it. Now let's go back here and see if... Let's see if it fixed the problem. This time we should be able to create the repository without having any issues. Okay, there we go. I fixed it. By forcing you repos and temporary working repos to use main from the start. Yep, okay. I also smoke tested the helper and confirmed the fresh bear repo now contains main. If npm run dev is still running, the server watcher should pick this up automatically. Okay, let's try creating a new repository. This time we'll call it Weekly Hub. Again, subscribe to Weekly How and like this video. Create the repository. Absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. There we go. We even have a readme file. This is good. The question is, can we edit it? We can't. I would have loved to edit it. Can I upload a file? Hold on, I actually have an idea. I create a new repository. We'll call it test. I'm not gonna add a readme file. I'll create, but this is empty, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'll create a new file, and this is going to be like Weekly Hub and... No, maybe we already have a readme file here. I'm just gonna copy that and upload it, okay? So it should be Weekly Hub and this one right here. It worked! Look at that. That is wild. Insane, I know. This is good. That's wild. What if I click this? Can we actually clone it? Can we actually clone this? Okay. I'm going to create a new folder just in here. mkdir. We'll call it test clone. And we'll just set it to test clone. And then we'll do git clone. And just paste the URL. What do you guys think? You think this is going to work? Is this going to work? I can't see my yeah, okay. Right over here. Okay. You guys can see it. I'm just gonna make this like that. Just temporarily. I lost the whole thing. There we go. cd test. And then should be git clone. Okay. It worked! Wild! That's wild. That is wild. Yes, I do read my chat. Solyaman Mug Barry. I do read the chat. Yes, I look at you guys. That is crazy. We got it working, guys. This is GitHub. This is it. We officially built GitHub. The question is, can we push? Can we push? Is there any instruction how to okay. Okay, after creating a repository through UI, we can actually do it. We can actually do it. Hold on, let me create a new file here. We'll do index.html and we'll just do a freaking boilerplate like that, and we'll just say hello world and just hello world. Okay, we'll save that. And what does it say? Okay, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna git add index.html. Okay, it didn't say to init. That's the thing. It asked me to clone it, but there is no git init. So now it should be a repository. Can I do this? Like git add index.html? Huh? Oh, sorry. Okay, git add index.html. Okay. Let's try and commit. This one is for Gia underscore Sidao. And who else? Seti V22. This one's for you. Did it work? It's giving me this. I think I need to log in with my account, right? The account that I used. It actually worked. It actually worked. That is amazing. I mean, yeah, the git commands worked, but will we be able to actually see the whole thing here? That is the point. Absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made GitHub clone. You guys can't hear me clapping because I have like a filter. But this is wild. This is wild. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. It's good. Well, Sulyaman Magbari, it is working. It's not just a UI. It actually is GitHub clone. You can push. You can clone. Hell yeah. You will get sued by GitHub. I mean, I'm not going to publish this. That's for sure. You will hear from GitHub lawyers. And it worked flawlessly. Exactly. That looks so identical. It does look identical. But it's not really. It's just a basic web app. Not gonna lie to you guys. There are a bunch of projects out there that literally try to, you know, copy GitHub just for fun. And I don't think that's gonna put them in trouble. I don't think this is gonna put me in trouble. I hope. Exactly, Cerealia. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to say as well. From horror stories, can I publish it? Yeah, I actually forgot to publish the weekly tube yesterday. I'm gonna do it after. It's just I forgot yesterday because I was so tired. So I went to I ate and then I went to sleep. But it's good. This is good. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention this. Someone requested this, and you have it. What do you think? What do you think? But they didn't do it in 1 hour using AI. Yeah. They probably worked on it for like months or weeks. But that's the thing though. We literally just made this in just what? Under an hour? And we'll already get this? That's crazy. Hey Kim, welcome back. Check if commits page is working too. Did I misspell this? I didn't realize it. There you go. We even have commit IDs. Wild. We even have diff. It's not the best looking diff, but we have it. This is good. From CR7HK, do you think AI could replace developers by the end of this year? Because Claude Opus is absolutely next level. Claude Opus is insane. Here's the thing. Okay, let me be serious just for a bit. Here's one thing that you should know. AI is not going to replace software engineers, not at all. Because if it does, then who's going to maintain AI? software developers, software engineers, they're still going to maintain it because they're the ones who built it. Unless we start getting to a point of like AI start maintaining itself, which is something I don't want to imagine. But I don't know. I don't think it's gonna replace AI, or it's not. I don't think AI is going to replace software engineers this year or next year. I don't think so. What you should do is keep on learning. Use AI to, optimize your workflows as much as possible. Okay. Companies are actually hiring more developers. Exactly. When you are put the YouTube in your page, I will do it now. I will do it now. But I'm gonna need to scan this first before actually uploading it, because I need to make sure that I'm not sending any, any sensitive information. So okay, I promise I'll do it after. Okay, after the live stream, I will upload the two projects, so members can download it. Members can work on it if you guys want. Okay. Okay. Maybe like 200 years from now, if it does, he'll lose his job. Themselves, AIs, at least coding AI, are self-improving now. Few models do, but they are starting slowly to be more frequent. Then I guess we are starting to be to get to that point. But still, I don't think it's gonna fully replace AI. My English is not doing so good right now. I don't think it's going to replace software engineers. There we go. Mina X, don't. Don't, please, don't. People can clone the full thing. I mean, it's just for members, so not a lot of people can use it. I can give you English lessons. Yes, please do. Another idea or next stream? We're probably gonna do another stream after next week, because I need to lock in. I need to work on my next video because I don't have time to work on my next video. I need time. Tu peux parler en français? J'habite à Paris. Ah oui? T'habites à Paris? Où? Près du Châtelet? Dans le Paris ou outside of Paris? Sorry for that. It was unnecessary. What is your favorite food? Did you ever eat pigeon? Oh, wow. Wow. That is such a very organized, very good, well set up, Very well set up. Make your own currency like dollar and name it weekly something and only produce 1 to 10 so it is limited edition. Like a physical cash. And then I'll just sell it for limited time only. What is your favorite programming language? Oh boy. I feel like I could answer this depending on. I mean, right now, obviously, I love TypeScript. It's or JavaScript, but yeah, JavaScript. That's all I use anyway. Remake Minecraft with AI. I'll do that in the next video, in separate one. I'm low level. I mean, as long as you know how to code, I think that's fine. Did you forget you already made Minecraft called Minecraft? I did. But like I said, it was like... When was it? A couple months ago, right? When was it? Where is it? 4 months ago. So I could build it again. Because I feel like LLMs have been doing much better. So maybe I could just redo it and then who knows? Maybe we'll get a better result. Java versus JavaScript. You can continue on your OS project. Those are my favorite. I will continue those for sure. I just need more ideas on what I can do next because I feel like I did already the ideas that are fun. I'd say, like for example, you know, porting Doom in a custom OS, building your own Windows 12. I'm thinking of building Mac OS. Like Mac OS. Or I saw someone requested, I've read someone requested for a mobile OS, but we're gonna need a device to test it. I don't know, maybe there is like a virtual machine that we can use to test mobile OS. Maybe we can do it that way. But I feel like it's gonna be more fun if there is actually a phone that I can use to like test the mobile OS that we're building, right? That would be good. But yeah, there are a bunch of ideas I have that I still need to do. ASM function. Halt. Now freeze and don't move. You just did that earlier. Whoever did the English or Spanish, I don't know if a lot of you guys caught that, but I just paused. Classic joke. I am a coder as well, but still small, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, like games, app, and more. Again, not too bad as long as you're learning something new. That's how you should do it. Just keep building, and it's gonna improve. You look handsome IRL. Thanks, soy boy. Soy boy! You guys know that? Thanks. But if you do Minecraft, try it in Java. Yes. From scratch, right? Instead of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yes. That's what I should do. Make a cheap Raspberry Pi would do the trick. Oh. Actually, yeah. We could do like Raspberry Pi projects. That would be good. Why don't you make something cool like cloning OpenClaw? The reason why I'm not doing this specifically, because first of all, I don't know how to use OpenClaw. I haven't tried it myself yet. So if I want to do that, I need to figure out how to use it first. And if it's safe to use. Because I haven't really used it yet. Face dev internet, but make it weekly how. I'm also a coder, but I do about 4 or 6 gigs. And I know because people hire me. Good job. Congratulations. Make Android 17. That's what I was saying earlier. You could make like a mobile OS. But that's another idea for another day. Oh, by the way, guys, if you haven't joined our Discord server, do it now. Because we are having a lot of fun here. I don't know if you guys can join through the Where the hell is the welcome? There we go. Copy the link. And I'll just post it here. Copy. And I'm just gonna pin it. Yeah, I haven't really fixed the description. Yeah, you should get it. I can make a phone virtual machine for you. Go for it. Go for it. Make a code editor like Cursor from Snowjang. Again, this is my next video. I'm working on it. I haven't even finished it, look. Hold on, give me a moment. This is my next video. I'm not even halfway through yet. Those are old videos, but here. I'm working on the code editor. Okay? This is the code editor. And it's gonna be fun. See? It's called Forge I Don't Even Know. Or IDE K. And I'm using cargo, so meaning I'm using Rust. And if you guys want spoiler, it looks like that. It's not done yet. I'm still editing it. Yeah. That's gonna be the next video. To those of you who are curious. So you guys can stop asking me to make that because I'm already working on it. I just need to edit it. And editing takes a lot of time. Unfortunately, I am not a full-time content creator. I'm just doing this after my work. Whenever I'm free. And Guy needs to rest too, so... yeah. In a few minutes, I am going to end the stream, guys. Looks like we are no longer getting more people, so I think we managed to do something. We did. We created the GitHub itself, a clone one, and I like it. It's good. No, just talk with us. All right. What do you guys want to do? What do you guys want to talk about? Oh, by the way, have you guys checked my merch? Shameless plug. It's really comfy. It's thick. It's good. It's good for spring season. But in summer, no. It's bad. It's hot. If you need a phone, I have S23. I don't need. I actually have phone. I have a phone. I'm not even using it too. I have like iPhone 10, and I have like another Android that I'm not using, so I should be okay. I can test it there. iPhone or Android? I prefer Android. I'm not an Apple guy. Have you tried Rust, and what are your opinions about it? I have personally not used or made anything with Rust, so there's that. In fact, that project that I'm working on right now is the very first project I'm working on with Rust. And my opinions about it, I don't know, because I haven't read the code itself. Maybe I can take a look at it. Oh no, I'm not gonna show it on stream. Give me the phone, I need it. It's not like it's a good phone. In fact, it's really broken. And even if I don't use it, I'm probably gonna need it because of this ideas. Like, for example, we can build something like mobile OS, and I could just use it as a test device. Still good. Is Philippines hot? Yes, no doubt. Next time, use assembly to write one-to-one Unreal Engine 5. Copy using AI. Could do that next time. Should try making malware with AI. Okay, for that, I'm gonna need to have a virtual machine, and then I'm gonna need to install like a Windows XP like system, and then that's where I'll test the malware, right? I could do it that way. Are you Muslim? I am not. Is this real or am I dreaming? Are you? Should try making malware with AI. Okay, I answered that already. Is it true that in Philippines you eating dog? Wow. Wow. ABT official, you have a really nice idea of the world. Can AI agent recreate Rule 34 from scratch? Weekly How, do you play Tomodachi Life? Will you play the new one, like, privately? I haven't played any games recently. My time is just too tight at this point. Like, again, I have work in the morning, I do a 9 to 6 job, and at night I make YouTube videos, so I don't have a lot of time for other stuff. I have a TV, I have PS5, and I rarely use it. The last time I used it was like last year. So I need to manage my time so I can at least, you know, chill, even just for a little bit. dogs. What about you add error.408 virus? It's very cool. Put it on the weekly hub if you want just a suggestion. Okay. Again, we're gonna need a virtual machine just to test that, just to be safe, because I can't do it here on my device. AI can't write a malware. If you force it, it can. I think you're gonna need to set up a markdown, like you are a white hat hacker, or slash, you know, you're building something to test your antivirus, so you're gonna need to build malwares just to test if it's working or not. So you're gonna need to do stuff just to make it work. Bro is flexing the 5070 and not gaming on it. I played Cyberpunk. A couple months ago and I finished it. Loved the game. I really enjoyed it. And that's the only game I played with this PC right now. Have you ever got paid more than 100 euros from YouTube? Yes. But it's not enough. It doesn't really pay much yet. It's like I get paid just peanuts. AI can indeed write malware. Yes. Just use a jailbreak. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Make GTA from scratch. Ah, that's really funny. From Taki Ayari. And his profile photo is from GTA. Rockstar. Wait, GTA 6 is coming. It is! And unfortunately, I haven't finished GTA 5. So I need to catch up. Are you a real programmer? Like, could you code something without AI if you wanted to? Yeah, I could. I could literally like build something with JavaScript without AI. But unfortunately, I think I just got used to it at this point, which sucks. I kind of hated it. But I still know the flow. I still know the workflow. I still know how to read. That's the most important thing. As long as you know how to read a code, you're still a software engineer. If you're just building with AI and you don't know how to read a single thing, then you're screwed, basically. Is Friendly Guy asking too many questions? Yes. At this point, I'm just being patient with Friendly Guy. Because he's making me rich. He is my sugar daddy, by the way. What I know is you should learn actual coding before going full on AI. Yeah. I'm super lucky I learned how to code years ago. Still can't believe that AI is the thing now. Like back then, you would have to use Stack Overflow to, you know, look for solutions. But now it's just like, okay, ChatGPT, Claude. You just talk to an AI and they'll give you what you're looking for. But back then you have to do the hard work. You have to look at YouTube for tutorials, for example. And that is the reason why I think, it's still my theory, still the reason why, AI is the reason why my courses are no longer doing well. They're no longer making me a lot of money. So I just gave it up. I have given up. Because a lot of people just start building tools with AI. They no longer need to watch videos or take courses to learn how to do it. They just take the shortcut. As long as, the thing is, what I notice is with entrepreneurs, quote unquote, they don't care if the code is shit. Sorry for my language. As long as it works. As long as it works, that's what matter. Just figure it out later, the code. Like, clean up the code later. Let's make money first before taking care of the code. And so, a lot of slop apps are available. What will you do if you become a famous YouTuber with 250k subscribers? I will retire. If I have 250k subscribers, first of all, goddamn, that means I have the plaque. That's one of my goals, by the way. I'd love to hold that. And what I would do, I'd enjoy my life. Hell yeah. I'd make videos that I like to make, because I know I have people that would actually watch my content, because I'm pretty sure they are my my supporters at this point. I hope. But yeah, I'll just keep making content if that ever happens. I still look on YouTube for help. I don't use AI. Nice. Oh my god, I remember searching Stack Overflow like how to fix segfault. Exactly. Do you guys remember how to center a div? Is it still happening? Or am I just too old? Is it done? That joke is over? We don't search for that anymore? How to center a div? Yeah, because when you try build an app, it just does it for you. It's center. So yeah, that joke is done. Have you ever published an AI app? No, I have not. Is it possible to build an AI that will like do an online job and earn money for you? Yes. I mean, you can do a lot of things. You can build things with AI. The hard part is the idea. Like, will it actually solve something? That is something that you should answer first. If I build an app, will it solve someone's problem? If the answer is no, don't do it. That's not gonna make you money. You can't center a div in dark mode. No way. No way someone said that. No way. What if Mr. Beast call you to do a YouTube challenge of $100k off 1 month? Will you accept? Yes? Question is, do I have a job? Do I have a job during that time? Because when I read that, I started thinking, yeah, I'm gonna need to ask my manager to, you know, understand my situation. I'm going to a Mr. Beast video challenge. I'm gonna leave for 1 month. It's gonna be like, no, you can't do that. We have so many work to do. Idea and patience. Yes. What is the best AI for coding? For me, it's definitely Kimi K2.5. It's funny. Like, many people have different opinions on what is the best AI for coding? Many people would say it's Opus 4.6, right? I see, there you go. Many people would say it's GPT 5.4. But I think, personally, it depends on the project you're building. Sometimes Opus is good when you're building an app that is specifically for certain things. But if you're building stuff like, I don't know, like an OS or something, maybe GPT 5.4 is going to do much better than Opus 4.6, right? Or for example, I remember I had this project, which is a game, and ChatGPT did a better job than Opus 4.6. So it's case by case. Why you don't make a pro web app named Weekly Services and publish it? Make an arcade of games you made, AI's pro apps. That's a good idea. And I'll just slap it with like so many ads so I make money. Or you can donate. You choose. Gemini 3.1 Pro, the worst. It's funny because I feel like Gemini is starting to... It's out of the group now. It's no longer the best AI model ever. I rarely use Gemini, to be honest. I just use Opus 4.6, Sonnet, GPT 5.4, Composer. These 4 models are the models that I use when building web apps. Can AIs work together to make a map box style 3D building or OpenStreetMaps from scratch? That is such a very specific video. Why are you not reading my comments from before? I don't know. There are so many comments. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to read some of it. Gemini 3.1 Pro is crazy good with bug fixes where Claude only hallucinates. Again, it's case by case. Sometimes Claude sucks, sometimes Gemini is good, sometimes Gemini is good and GPT 5.4 is much better. It's case by case. That's how I see it. That's why, do you guys see that table all the time? Do you really trust that? You know, like for example, Opus 4.6 is like here and GPT 5.4 is here. It's cheaper and but worse. And then Kimi K2 is right over here. It's cheap and really good. Do you really trust those tables? I feel like those are just for people who cares about tables, but it don't mean anything. Full throttle ES. 5 AIs working together make fully functional Discord controlled rat? Okay. No, I don't trust those. I use the tools and make my own judgment. Exactly. I think Composer 2 is not too bad. It is not too bad. I mean, it's supposed to be Kimi K2.5, right? But modified. It's funny. Cursor messed up. They're not supposed to know that it's Kimi K2.5. But he found out. What are we gonna do? But you know what? When I first used Composer the very first time, I was actually super impressed because it was quick. It solves a lot of problems. And I was just so impressed. I kept using it for like weeks. But then I realized it's actually just Kimi K2. That's why I said Gemini Pro is good. Yes. Still Kimi K2.5 is still a trillion parameter model. Yes. Oh, by the way, guys, if you guys want to hang out with me, if you guys like this kind of stuff, maybe I could like live stream on Twitch instead, because I don't want to stream on YouTube a lot. I could stream just a few times per month, but I don't want to stream a lot on YouTube. So if you guys want me to keep hanging out with you guys, I don't know, maybe play some games and you guys hang out with me, you can just follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv. Maybe I could just because I don't want to stream on YouTube a lot, honestly. Because the algorithm doesn't like live streaming. Whenever that is the reason why I stopped streaming, because I started to feel like whenever I live stream, the algorithm just hates me and my whole thing just crashes. I know that's not true, but that's how I feel. Oh, yeah, actually that's a good idea. Maybe I could just do it on Discord, right? But then again, how do I make money? Because at the end of the day, I still want to make money, right? Money, money, money. Weekly, do you want the Kimi jailbreak prompt that works for agent? I don't know. I don't know what to use it for. You can start building a weekly fan website. Ooh. That's one of the requests earlier. I was thinking of building a game that we can all hang out. It is like a world. And we're all a bunch of characters. Imagine. Like Roblox. And we just, you know, run around the city and do whatever. Bro, it's only one thing of money is $10 per hour to talk to him. Yeah. I love that. Weekly how? Give me all your money, I'll pay you back tenfold. Trust. Okay. Go for it. Me speak Spanish, no English. Okay. Sí, sí, señora. Señor. Señor Taylor, ¿cómo estás? I think the content you're making appeals to a niche audience. It feels like you're creating content for programmers. You should target a broader audience. For example, a video like AI tries to create an Instagram account would attract everyone. That's actually not a bad idea. But then again, it's still the same though. It's literally the same thing. AI, you still use AI that's going to produce a code, so unless I start switching to a different, you know, type of content, and I no longer show cursor, I no longer use prompt. I just like, okay, I ask AI to build this and these are the results, and I just focus on the results instead of the workflow itself. An idea, ChatGPT versus Claude roast battle. Okay. GPT 5 point GPT 5.2 versus Claude. Okay? Roast each other. Oh, sorry. Am my face is big? Boo! Boo! I can't help, but I won't do hateful or targeted stuff. Race, disability, gender. If you want a fun. Meanwhile, here's a generic roast you can use. You bring so little to the table, even your chair. Damn, that's tough. Claude said, playfully roast you in a good. I'd be happy to engage, but I should clarify, I'm just one AI assistant. There's no each other here. Oh, okay. So it doesn't work that way. You are against each other. Left, ChatGPT. Right. And right, Claude. I don't think it knows each other. Roast each other. Okay, there you go. Your helpful tone is so careful, it could defuse a bomb by complimenting it into retirement. Wow! Damn! Damn! And Claude's still like, what are you doing, Claude? You suck. See? This is what I'm trying to say. Claude is just stuck with like, what do you want? I'm an assistant. I'm a Claude. I'm not ChatGPT. And look at... okay. So ChatGPT, Claude. I thought it's just ChatGPT, but okay. Whatever. I think you keep the two separate to work and see each other. Maybe ChatGPT versus another AI. How do we do that? I don't think you can do it here. Maybe you need to like build an app itself, and then you just use, you know, their API keys and literally make them roast each other. That's actually a good idea. We could make that. But like a game, for example. You know, like it's 3JS, and you are a first-person player, and you just look at two characters, which is ChatGPT and Claude, and then you integrate the voice API, and then they start working. Start talking to each other. Is that something you guys would enjoy watching? Yes, text to speech that I was referring to. Taylor, your videos are very good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It looks a hard project, but let's do it. Yeah. I'd make something like that. Yeah, but with voice real time. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. But we need to like optimize it. Like, for example, like I start something, like I talk to my microphone, and then the result or the output of my microphone goes to the game, and then ChatGPT and Claude as a character could understand what I'm trying to say, and I could basically just talk to them, like, hey, ChatGPT, are you there? And then ChatGPT would like look at me, and then it would say, yes, I'm here. What do you need? And then I'll tell it, can you roast Claude? And that's how the battle starts. That's a good one. Use Grok. It has agents that can talk to each other. Yeah. I tried it with bad models. It did not go well. Maybe try use a good model. Maybe it'll turn out well. But anyway, guys, it has been almost 3 hours. We are live, so I'm about to end the stream. I would like to say big thanks to all of you guys who stayed here. Massive shout out to the super chats. I want to say thanks again to Friendly Guy or ABT Official for the super thanks. You will be my super sugar daddy forever. Thank you so much. And massive shout out to Happy as well for being a member for more than a month now. And again, massive shout out as well to the others, Red Distic for the super chat. And massive shout out to Weekly How for sending gift memberships to one lucky subscriber. I haven't included myself. And of course, massive shout out to all of you who stayed until the very end. Massive shout out to Kim, the epic gamer. Shout out to Gia. Shout out to, hold on, Electronica, yes. Shout out to my mod, obviously. Shout out to OG Studio. Shout out to Gia again. Shout out to Surelia Legacy for being a member for more than a month now. Shout out to me because I'm an English teacher. Yeah, shout out to you. Anyway, guys, that would be all. Shout out to Microsoft for not suing me for making a GitHub clone. Yes, sir. 100%. I agree. All right, guys. thank you so much for joining tonight's stream. I had a good time with you guys for 2 nights. We've hang out, and I really enjoyed it. So thank you for spending time with me, and I will do it again. I will set up another stream, but it's not gonna be anytime next week or next week. It's probably gonna be another stream next month, most likely, because as much as possible, I want to focus on building, you know, long form content instead of live stream. I really enjoyed it, but priorities, right? Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I had a good time. Take care of yourself, okay? And if you guys want to try the projects would be uploaded as soon as I, you know, get a chance to upload it. But I'll update you guys in the Discord as well if you guys want to try it. If you're a member, you can download the source code directly on weeklyhow.polidario.com. It would be there. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel, and yes, if you haven't liked the videos too, like and hit the bell button so you guys won't miss my next upload. And that's it. Thank you for watching, thank you for the time, and thank you for staying with me. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye, and hopefully I don't mess up and actually end the stream and actually haven't canceled the stream and I look stupid, and yeah, I do things that I should be doing in front of the camera, and yeah, I got canceled and my life is ruined, and yeah, I will never see everyone again. Stay awesome, guys. Thank you so much for the time. I love you all. Bye. Peace. 5